Every year, thousands of patients from around the world travel to Mexico to begin their in vitro fertilization journey. Why? Mexico has become the second most visited country globally for medical treatments. And when it comes to fertility care, it is the #1 destination in all of Latin America. Hello, we're reaching out to you from Mexico, a country known worldwide for its specialized medical care and a place where your dream of starting a family through assisted reproduction can become a reality. At Ingenes, we offer a treatment experience built on support, transparency, and personalized care, designed just for you. You will be cared for by specialists in reproductive health and genetics, who use cutting-edge technology and tailor every medical protocol to your specific needs. Our embryology labs operate under strict international standards, always focused on creating the best possible environment for your treatment. We also have a dedicated team for international patients. They will be with you every step of the way, before, during, and after your treatment. Our goal is to make sure you always feel informed, calm, and fully supported, even if you're traveling from another country. And the process is much simpler than you might think. First, you'll have an initial medical consultation where we evaluate your case and create a personalized treatment plan. After that, we perform the necessary tests, such as a semen analysis, an ovarian reserve assessment, and any other evaluations your specialist recommends. Once your plan is ready, you can actually begin the ovarian stimulation phase from your home country, always under medical supervision. Then you simply schedule your trip to Mexico for the egg retrieval procedure. The eggs are then taken to our embryology lab, where we perform the IVF and begin carefully monitoring the embryos as they develop. About 5 days later, once the embryo has reached the right stage, we perform the embryo transfer. And in most cases, you'll be back home in about a week. There's another major reason why so many people choose Mexico for the fertility treatment. An IVF cycle can cost up to 70% less here than in the United States. This means many patients save as much as $20,000 on their treatment journey, without any compromise on medical quality or the technology used. In short, you get the high-quality care you deserve at a much more accessible price. At Ingenes, we bring together science, experience, and a deep commitment to our patients. Because behind every treatment is a profoundly important dream, the dream of helping you bring a baby home. Take the first step today. Schedule your consultation and let's explore how we can support you on this journey.